make mango barbecue chicken salad using DivineKuizine's mango barbecue sauce and DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce. Using chicken strips, but you can use like a rotisserie chicken, you could use chicken breast or whatever you do, or you have some leftover chicken or smoked chicken. I just don't have that right now, so we're gonna go ahead and season it and pan fry it over the stove, and we're gonna use the DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. But it will be really good too if you had like some leftover like barbecue chicken or something like that to give, and that would be even quicker and easier to do. So we have some salt, seasoning salt, my favorite seasoned pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. We have some smoked paprika to give it some of that smoky flavor. Since we didn't barbecue it or smoke it on the grill, you can use some of that to kind of give you some of that smoke flavor. And we have some mesquite seasoning that will also kind of give you more of that barbecue-y taste that we are going for. And this is just an easy and quick thing to do. You know, we're ending summer. Summer's getting ready to end. So now we're getting ready to go into fall. So we're going to be doing more meal prepping. We're going to be getting back more into, you know, this is easy for the kids to take to school with crackers. You can put this on a sandwich, a salad. So this is just a quick thing that you can do. Chicken salad is always a great thing to have during the week. Quick, easy. Take it out, eat it for lunch or whatever. Have it on the go. And this is just a different way because we're gonna flavor like, you know, give it kind of that smoky, barbecue-y flavor. So then I put a little bit of olive oil in here as well. I don't know if I said that, a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna, and that's just gonna help combine everything, you know, kind of incorporate everything together. And then I have on the stove, we got a hot pan. We're gonna go ahead and pan sear this, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour some of the DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. So this is another way that you can use one of my products. Sweet, hickory, spicy, you know, but all those depths of flavor. So you're gonna get sweet, you're gonna get spicy, you're gonna get smoky. So let's go ahead and pan sear the chicken. Okay, y'all, so taking our chicken, our seasoned chicken, and this is easy to do too if you just want to marinate it. That's just too much. Getting ready to put some of the mango barbecue sauce on the chicken. Our mango barbecue chicken all nice glazed up, cooked up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just shred the chicken. So it's really easy. Sometimes I do it with my hands, but I'm gonna use a fork and just try to shred it all up. The chicken. Some red onion, some celery, some red onion, jalapeno pepper, and I didn't take the seeds out, so it's gonna give it a little spice, but you can also de-seed the jalapeno pepper. So jalapeno pepper, and then a little bit of red pepper as well. Okay. Then we're gonna take the drippings from that mango barbecue sauce, and we're gonna put all of that good flavor into this chicken salad. The DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. This is a dressing. This is another way. So we got two products today, y'all. We're using the DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce and DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. So instead of mayo, we're gonna use the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce as our base. Mix all this together. Put it in the refrigerator for a while, just to kind of get it cold, because you know it's kind of like warm from, you know, making the chicken and stuff. Put it on here. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of, give it some color. Good old nice crackers. So you see how easy this was made. Also, we got some chicken tenders. We glazed them with the mango barbecue sauce, and we used the remoulade as the base instead of mayo. So I'm gonna go in. Very good. y'all about it. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's tangy, it's barbecue-y. It's everything you can think of. So this mango barbecue sauce is sweet, you know, like mangoes, because we do it with fresh mangoes. And then we have that smoky flavor to it, a mesquite flavor to it. It's a well-made barbecue sauce. That's what tastes good. How we did with the chicken salad, but on your ribs, your chicken, what have you. And of course, our favorite, our award-winning remoulade sauce. It's like a base. So instead of using mayo and all those other things that you have to use, you just use this as we used. It's creamy, it's spicy, the texture, you know, from the chicken and the seasonings, and then you have your colored peppers, your celery, a little bit of jalapeno in there. It's just perfect. And like I said, this is great for meal prep time. So, you know, we're getting into that season. We're moving out of summer and we're going into fall. So we're gonna be having more, the kids are gonna be in school and things like this. This is a great thing the kids could take with crackers, or even you going to work. Make it ahead of time, take it with you. It's not too filling, it's not too heavy, you know what I mean? And you also can do it with like sandwiches or salads. So a great different way, a different spin, a different twist on chicken salad. This levels up that chicken salad. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. If you want to purchase the products, you can go to DivineKuizine.com as well. I'm also on Amazon, or if you're in Atlanta, I'm at the Atlanta Beef First Farmers Market. Don't forget, if you're on YouTube watching me, don't forget to hit that like and comment, and also subscribe to my channel so you can get more wonderful recipes like this. And also, if you're on Instagram or TikTok or wherever, go ahead, make this recipe and leave me a comment at the bottom. Love y'all, Shay.